Top 10. Display tab analog. Case diameter 45 millimeters. Case thickness 13 millimeters. Bandwidth 23 millimeters. Band color black, dial color black. Special feature carbon compound unidirectional rotating. Screw on case back, double security gasket. Moment Swiss quartz. Water resistant 200 meters. Top 9. Atom shape round, aluminium material type glass. Display type analog, closed buckle. Case material carbon. Case diameter 45 millimeters. Case thickness 20 millimeters. Band material rubber. Band length main standard. Bandwidth 24 millimeters. Special feature shock resistant moment Swiss quartz. Water resistant depth 300 meters. Top 8. Aluminum material type sapphire crystal. Display type analog, closed tank buckle. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 46 millimeters. Case thickness 20 millimeters. Band material titanium. Special feature luminous shock resistance. Moment Swiss quartz. Water resistant depth 300 meters. Top 7. Aluminum material type manual. Display type analog. Closed tank buckle. Case diameter 45 millimeters. Case thickness 20 millimeters. Bandwidth 24 millimeters. Band color black, dial color black. Special feature timer wristwatch. Moment Swiss quartz. Water resistant depth 200 meters. Top 6. Band material nylon, rubber, silicone. Display type analog. Case material sapphire crystal, rubber, resin, stainless steel, carbon fiber. Moment quartz. Feature sapphire crystal, water resistant, timer, date indicator, 12-hour dial. Water resistant 200 meters. Top 5. Atom shape round, aluminum material type manual. Display type analog, closed buckle, case material resin. Case diameter 45 millimeters. Case thickness 13 millimeters. Band material rubber. Band length main standard. Bandwidth 24 millimeters. Special features stainless steel unidirectional rotating bezel. Moment Swiss quartz. Water resistant depth 200 meters. Top 4. Dial venometer type sapphire crystal. Display type analog. Clasp tank buckle. Case diameter 45 millimeters. Case thickness 15 millimeters. Bandwidth 50 millimeters. Moment quartz. Water resistant depth 300 meters. Top 3. Dial material type mineral. Display type analog. Clasp tank buckle. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 45 millimeters. Case thickness 14 millimeters. Special features: timer, wrist watch. Moment Swiss quartz. Water resistant depth 200 meters. Top 2. Atom shape round dial material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog. Clasp buckle. Case material rubber. Case diameter 46 millimeters. Case thickness 14 millimeters. Band material rubber. Band length main standards. Band width 24 millimeters. Band color red. Dial color black. Special features: stainless steel screw-in anti-reflective sapphire. Moment Swiss quartz. Water resistant depth 300 meters. Top 1. Band material rubber stainless steel. Style military sport luxury diverse case finished metal. Display type analog. Case material rubber sapphire crystal stainless steel carbon fiber. Feature luminous hand date indicator luminous dial Swiss moment. Water resisting rotating bezel wall time alarm Swiss mode. Limited edition chronograph sapphire crystal push pull crown 12-hour dial. Water resistant 300 meters. Thanks for watching. Product by link given in description.